All right, let's get to Wall Street. A sell-off on Wall Street. The closing bell rang just moments ago. The Dow tumbled more than 800 points. So let's take a look at our interactive stock market heat map. This is brought to you by FinViz. It shows the top 500 stocks, and as you can see, it's virtually all in the red today. So let's bring in Paul LaMonica, a senior writer for Barron's. So Paul, first things first, what's going on? Why is the market down so much and all of a sudden?
Yeah, it really has to do with what's going on with bond yields, the 10-year Treasury yield spiking today. And I think that is leading to concerns that it's going to be more costly for businesses and consumers to take out new loans. There are worries about rising interest rates. And the Federal Reserve is hopefully going to cut short-term rates at some point lower this year, but it's not clear when exactly that's going to happen, if it's going to be something that they would do in June, July, maybe not until September. So a lot of uncertainty right now. And then you have some of those big retailers like Target and Lowe's and TJX reporting earnings and giving some cautious outlooks about the consumer as well. That has people worried also.
Yeah, we do hear the word uncertainty a lot. How is Trump's big, beautiful bill and its impact on the deficit playing a role in all of this?
It definitely is because, clearly the hope was that because the Republicans have control of the House, they would be able to get any of Trump's preferred legislation through. But it's not that easy. The Republicans have a very small margin, and there are still some members of the party that are traditional conservative, fiscally conservative, deficit focused Republicans who don't like the magnitude of potential tax cuts or tax breaks coupled with more spending. That is going to be a tough sell for some of these Republicans to pass this bill because they want to see more fiscal responsibility at a time where there are concerns still lingering about whether or not the U.S. could be going into, if not recession, maybe an economic slowdown.
All right, Paul LaMonica, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.